Okay, Mitsubishi Lancer. Okay, installed for Cogoo S Series, S Series Plus, 10.1 inch Android big screen GPS player with special OEM big screen casing, good fitting casing for Mitsubishi Lancer or Proton Inspira. Okay, 2.5D HD Glass Capacitance Touch screen, IPS screen, multi-angle view. OEM socket plug and play. Okay, camera input. Connect with Cogoo night view reverse camera. Okay, full menu. Gray color setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, car setting. Equalizer. System info. 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. No DVD, no SD card. So it's got a 2 USB extension. So we'll put in a drawer. One put in a drawer. Another extension connect with the USB car charger. Okay, factory setting, password 8888. GPS detect. It's got a GPS antenna. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime. Steering wheel control setting. Okay, it's got a Bluetooth, so you have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Change the name. And a pairing password. So after pairing with your phone, you can use for the Bluetooth call or click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Google Play Store, you have to log in a Gmail to download app. YouTube, Spotify, Waze, you can download it from Play Store. So Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one. Nighttime driving, scroll down, you can turn off the screen. Press anyway to turn it on. This is radio. Okay, so this is Cogoo S Series Plus 10.1 inch CG-P010S2-IPS16. 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. IPS screen with OEM good fitting casing and OEM socket plug and play. Installed by 1BIS. Thank you.